In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to 1v1 in Apex Legends private match. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase the most convenient way to invite your friends and do 1v1s in Apex Legends. For this method, you simply have to invite someone to your lobby and you will be able to queue up together. So, to start, make sure that you invite them to the lobby. So while you are waiting, tap or click on any of the plus signs that you see at the back of your character, and doing this will bring up the Friends tab. From here, invite anyone from any platform. You might have to find your friend if you still haven't added them, and by using their ID, you will be able to add them into the friends list so you can invite them. Once you send out the invite and they accept, you will see both of you in the lobby, and now what you have to do is queue up for the firing range. In the firing range, you will be able to set up and customize a 1v1 lobby. So go ahead, and once they are inside of the party, you queue up for the firing range. With this done, you will load into the firing range like so, and if you look over here at the top, you will find the option to customize the range, so you can hold any of the buttons displayed here to go into customize range, or press a specific button on your controller. The main things that you have to change are going to be the friendly fire, so this is the most important one. By enabling friendly fire, you are going to make it so you will be able to attack each other to actually do the 1v1, and of course you can change other things like infinite ammo reloads, which is very important, and anything else that you want. But as long as you enable friendly fire, you will be able to attack each other and essentially do a 1v1. And this is going to work at any point. Just invite your friends to the lobby before queuing, and as long as you go to the firing range and you change these options, you will be able to easily set up a custom 1v1 map. You can change other settings if you prefer, and you can pick from a variety of weapons and any customizations, any assignments, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to 1v1 in Apex Legends private match. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.